Hello everyone, welcome to Growth Finance channel. Today, we'll be talking about best work from home jobs in 2024. As the world continues to embrace remote work, the landscape of employment opportunities is evolving. In 2024, the best work from home jobs offer a diverse range of options for individuals seeking flexibility, autonomy, and a healthy work-life balance. Whether you're transitioning from a traditional office setting or exploring new career paths, here's a comprehensive guide to the top work from home jobs in 2024. 1. Remote customer service representative. Companies across various industries continue to seek skilled customer service representatives who can assist clients from the comfort of their homes. With the advancement of technology, virtual call centers have become prevalent, allowing individuals to handle customer inquiries, troubleshoot issues, and provide support remotely. Platforms like Zendesk and HubSpot often hire remote customer service professionals. 2. Virtual assistant. The demand for virtual assistants is on the rise as businesses and entrepreneurs seek efficient ways to manage administrative tasks. Virtual assistants handle responsibility activities such as email management, appointment scheduling, data entry, and social media management. Websites like Upwork and Remote County connect virtual assistants with businesses in need of their services. 3. Freelance, writing and content creation. With the continuous growth of online content, freelance writers and content creators are in high demand. Content platforms, marketing agencies, and businesses are often on the lookout for talented writers to produce articles, blog posts, social media content, and marketing materials. Websites like Fiverr and Contently connect writers with clients seeking quality content. 4. Digital marketing specialist. Businesses are increasingly relying on digital marketing to reach their target audiences. Remote digital marketing specialists responsible for managing social media accounts, running advertising campaigns, optimizing websites for search engines, and analyzing marketing metrics. Platforms like LinkedIn and Indeed regularly feature remote digital marketing job listings. 5. Online tutoring and education. The rise of remote learning has created a surge in opportunities for online tutors and educators. Whether it's teaching a language, providing academic support, or offering specialized skills training, platforms like Chegg Tutors and Viper Kid connect tutors with students globally. 6. Remote graphic design. Graphic designers can leverage their skills in a remote setting by working on various projects, including web design, branding, and digital marketing materials. Platforms like 99 Designs and Dribable offer opportunities for remote graphic designers to showcase their portfolios and connect with clients seeking design services. 7. E-commerce entrepreneur. The e-commerce boom has opened doors for individuals to become entrepreneurs from the comfort of their homes. Starting an online store on platforms like Shopify or Eze allows individuals to sell products or services, whether they create handmade goods, source products from suppliers, or offer digital products. 8. Remote software developer. The tech industry continues to embrace remote work, making it an ideal time for software developers to explore remote opportunities. Developers can contribute to projects ranging from web and mobile app development to software engineering. Job boards like Stack Overflow and GitHub Jobs feature remote positions for software developers. 9. Health and wellness coach. The demand for health and wellness services has grown, leading to opportunities for remote health and wellness coaches. Coaches can provide guidance on nutrition, fitness, mental health, and overall well-being through virtual consultations, online courses, and personalized coaching programs. 10. Remote project management. Project managers play a crucial role in coordinating tasks, managing timelines, and ensuring successful project outcomes. Many businesses now hire remote project managers to oversee teams and projects from a distance. Platforms like Remote, OK and We Work Remotely feature remote project management positions. In conclusion, the best work from home jobs in 2024 offer a diverse array of opportunities for individuals seeking flexibility, disability, and autonomy in their careers. The continued growth of remote work opens up new possibilities across various industries, allowing professionals to thrive in a virtual work environment. Whether you're drawn to customer service, creative pursuits, or entrepreneurial ventures, the remote work landscape provides a wealth of options for those ready to navigate the future of work. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Join me in my next video.